99 Quentin, Roosevelt Boulevard. Look at this elevator setup. One on each opposing side. And this screaming ThyssenDover. Or just Dover. Or ThyssenDover, actually. Alan Dulger's maintaining. Here we go. Just level down. Yeah, this is a because this is the TK. These are the ThyssenDover rails, and this is a very mix of a Dover / ThyssenDover style cab. I don't know why. So I'm thinking this is a ThyssenDover, considering no Dover plate down there. Here's the question though. Nope, they're on the same controller. That means I have to send you off. Oh, there's no fan. Perfect. Oh, whoa, wait. This might have been a... No, this can't be a mod. Why is the panel like this? I'm starting to think this is a mod. Is that a Dover interlock? Yes, it is. That's the Dover interlock. So maybe this is Dover. Help link phone at the ThyssenDover. Cab on this one's identical, different handrail, I think. But this baffles me. That's like a slap-on panel. And I think I found the motor room. Oh, look at this. Yeah, this is a ThyssenDover. Yep, that's a ThyssenDover. Oh. Motor room for this one? Motor room for this one. They put them on two different sides. I don't understand this. But I gotta look at this one again. Hold on. Yeah, see, this one has like an in panel, like a swing panel. Still want to be ThyssenDover. Wait. This one has a whole different door mechanism. What the hell? I don't understand. They're completely different installs. That mind boggles me. Alright, anyways, that's it.